Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing very well, and welcome to the fifth lesson of keyboard beginner lesson series. I'll just take a short recap of the previous lesson, what we have done, and then we will move further. So student, if you remember, in fourth lesson we have learnt about primary chords. So primary chords, if you remember, are the first, third and the fourth of any major scale. We learnt about the primary chords of, especially of the major scales, the first, third and the fourth. In the previous video, I also demonstrated you how to play the first and the fourth chord within any major scale. So in today's video, I will be demonstrating you how to add the fifth chord as well in the scale. So first, third and fifth, all the three chords in any major scale. Okay, so I'll show you the example of C major first, and definitely I will demonstrate the other scales too. Okay, so please watch it very carefully. Okay, so this is C major scale, and I have already taught you in the C major scale the fourth key is F, so you have to play C major and F major. Got it? This is C major and F major. And what I taught you in the previous video was, while coming back you have to play the fourth chord. Okay, and the fourth chord in the C major scale is F. So while coming back you have to play the F major chord. Okay, so it was like this. Very simple. I also taught you about the inversion and the root position. So I am playing the F major in a inversion form, not in the root position, so that you are comfortable to play a F major chord. Okay. Now I am adding a fifth chord also. That means the fifth key chord within a major scale. So now I am adding a fifth chord also. Now you watch it very carefully how I am doing this. So the fifth key in the C major scale is G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, G key. So we have to add a G chord as well. Okay. So how we will do that? So I hope you have watched it very carefully. What I did here, I have divided the 8 keys of the scale in 4 counts. On every first count I have changed the chord. Okay, to make it very simple, we are playing 8 notes. There are 8 notes in every major scale, so I have divided these 8 notes into a set of 4. Okay, so every first count I am changing the chord. Okay, so on the first, when I am going ascending, so I am playing 2 chords, and when I am coming back, when I am descending it, then also I am playing 2 chords. So don't get confused. I am playing 2 chords. Chords are only 3. That means first, 4 and 5th. So what I am repeating is, you see please carefully. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So while going up, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? I have played a C, and then again, after next one I have changed to the F chord, that is a 4th. So it will be, got it? So 2 chords in ascending, and while coming back I am playing a 5th chord now, the 5th key. Okay, the chord of a 5th key. So it is G. So while coming back, and then F. I hope you are understanding it. Okay, again I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is the count. So F we are playing 2 times. Okay, while coming back also we are playing F, and while going also we are playing F. Got it? So you are playing actually only first, 4 and 5th, but in that the F chord, or you can say the 4th chord, we are playing while ascending also and while descending also. Okay, so again I'll speak the chord so that you understand it better. Okay, so C, F, G, F, first, 4th, 5th, 4th, like this. I hope you understand it. Okay, now I am showing the next example of D major. Okay, so D major scale, the root chord is D, obviously, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth one is G, and fifth one is A. So the same sequence we will follow. Okay, we will play 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? So again we have played the G chord, the fourth is G in this D major scale. So G we have played 2 times. Okay, while going up also and while coming down as well. Okay, and the fifth one we have played only once. So again I'll show you. D, G, A, G. Got it? Or if I say the counting, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? I hope you have understood it. Another example I will show you of E major. Okay, so this is E major. The first is E, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Fourth is A. So we have to play E major chord, A major, and fifth is B major. Got it? So how we will do that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very simple. Got it? E, A, B, A. Very simple. Okay? So if you can notice, the E chord I have played it in a root position. A I have played in an inversion. So it is very close to the E major chord. The root position of E major chord, this position is near to the root position of E major chord. And then I have played a B major in this inversion position, D sharp, F sharp and B. So this is also a very easy position for me to shift from E to A and then B. So this I found it easy. Alright, again I'll show you. E, A, B, A. Got it? Very simple. So this is the complete process of playing a primary chords in any major scale, and I hope you all have understand it. And your task is to play F major, G major and the other scales which are left. So I want you to practice that by your own, and in the next video I will definitely demonstrate you the other chords as well, but your task is to do it by yourself first. Okay, and in the next lesson we will come up, definitely I'll come up with some new topic. So for now your task is to finish this first. Okay, thank you so much. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.